Hi, I'm Nick Perfili, Planning and Operations Manager with Fairfax Connector. Connections 2015 is an ongoing effort by the Fairfax County Department of Transportation to obtain public input on how we can improve and expand local bus service over the next 10 years. This past fall, at events across Fairfax County, we asked the public what improvements they would like to see in Fairfax Connector and Metro bus services. From that feedback, we have developed several recommended changes to Fairfax County's bus system, some of which may directly impact your riding experience. Our goal is better connections and exceptional service for our riders. We need your voice in this process to ensure we are accurately capturing your transportation needs. What can you do to help? Go online to fairfaxcounty.gov/fcdot/connections2015 and fill out the digital feedback form. Join us for an Ask Fairfax online discussion at fairfaxcounty.gov/askfairfax, or attend an interactive public workshop. We will be meeting you where you are, including locations in Fairfax City, Herndon, Alexandria, Franconia, and Falls Church. Check out the Connections 2015 website for details and to leave comments or questions. Comments will be accepted until June 30th. We look forward to making your connections work for you.